Good morning, dear students. Yesterday I have explained you about the 3-point method of the borals. Yesterday I have solved the one problems, and the second question I have given an exercise. Today I'm going to explain you about the 4-point method. The third questions. Here the question is 4 borals are proposed at A, B, C, and D, the corner of an square land. All are 360 meter each, which means the distance from one borehole to the another borehole is 360 meter each. Here they have given a direction. A is west of B and D is south of B. A limestone bed is encountered by A, B and D at 160 meter, 60 meter and 240 meter respectively. Here they ask you to find determine the attitude of the limestone bed, which means the behavior of the limestone bed in the form of the true dip amount, true dip direction and the strike directions. As well as another question is, another borehole is proposed at C, calculate at what depth it reaches the limestone bed, which means the C is situated in one corner of the square land. This is the 4 corner of a square land. All the sides are 360 meter each. Here they have given a question, they have mentioned the direction A is west of B, which means A is west of B means A is here, A is here, B is here, and D is south of B, which means D comes here. And they have given in values. The given data is the sides are 360 meter each. A is 160 meter, B is 60 meter, D is 240 meter respectively. A is 160 meter, B is 60 meter, D is 240 meter respectively. In these corners, at an 160 meter depth, at an 60 meter depth, at an 240 meters, the limestone bed was encountered, and he asked you to find at the corner of the C, at what depth limestone bed encountered at C. The first question they have asked you to find determine the attitude of the limestone bed. This is the least count depth borehole. Here simply in the depth diagram we can understand this is not to scale. This diagram is not to the scale, only this is I have taken in scale in an 1 centimeter is equal to 60 meter. So all the 4 sides are 6 centimeter in a graph sheet. Here B, the least count of the depth borehole encountered the limestone at a depth of 60 meter, D at a depth of the 240 meter and A at a depth of the 160 meter here. This is the depth diagram. Here they have asked you to find determine the attitude of the limestone bed, which means true dip amount, true dip direction and strike. To determine the strikes, we need to do the gradient of the BA and BD, which means from the least count of the borehole, least count depth of the boreholes. Here 160 minus 60 divided by the 360 is a gradient of BA, 1 is to 3.6, and BD gradient same like 240 minus 60 divided by 360, 1 is to 2. Here we need to mark gradient of BA is 1 is to 3.6. To mark 3.6 from B towards A, as well as BD is the gradient of BD is 1 is to 2. Draw the line which meets the 2 gradient point. 1 is to 2, 1 is to 3.6. This is the strike. For the strikes, as we all know that the strike is perpendicular to the true dip directions. So we need to draw a perpendicular line. We need to construct a perpendicular line towards the least counted bore hole. It should meet the strike lines. This is the true dip directions. This is exactly perpendicular to the strike. We need to determine the true dip amount and true dip directions. The true dip amount is, calculate here, one is to 1.8, and the true dip direction here from this to this, which means south 30° west. South 30° west, and same as well as strike direction is north 61° west, and meanwhile south 61° east. Now the second question is, another borehole is proposed at C. Calculate at what depth it reaches the limestone belt. Which means the C is here. We need to construct a straight line from the least count depth of the borehole. This is the BC. Here, where the constructed line reaches the strikes, we need to mark here as an S or anything. Now, to determine the depth, the formula is horizontal distance of the BC into gradient of BS plus least count depth of the borehole. Here the distance, which means the horizontal distance of BC is 8.5 into, with respect to the scale, 1 centimeter is equal to 60 meter. We need to convert it into the meter. 60 meter into gradient of BS. Gradient of BS is 1:1.8. Remember, 1.8 plus least depth of the borehole. The least depth of the borehole is 60 meter. Here, the answer is 343.3 meter. At 343.3 meter depth, the another borehole C encounters the lime bed. This is the 4-point method of the borehole problems. This completes the borehole problem experiment. Only 3 problems. First one I have done yesterday. Second one I was given in one exercise. The third one now I demonstrated. Thank you.